everyone, and welcome back to the Cook to Flourish kitchen. This is Robin Cook, and I'm so excited to share with you a recipe featuring some beautiful vegetables from where the red fern grows. So today we're going to be making a sesame ginger coleslaw featuring Napa cabbage and some beets and carrots and red cabbage with a little bit of black sesame seeds. I think you are going to love it. So especially if you enjoy a coleslaw, this is a twist on the traditional coleslaw. We're having an Asian flair to it. So I hope that you and your family really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and see what we have here. So our featured ingredients are going to be 4 cups of Napa cabbage, and this came in my CSA share this week in Where the Red Fern Grows share. Then I also have some red beet from Where the Red Fern Grows. I have a half a cup of red beet. I also have a half a cup of organic chopped cilantro, 1 cup of shredded organic carrots, or if you happen to have any carrots from Where the Red Fern Grows, those would work awesome. Or we have 1 cup of shredded red or purple cabbage, beautiful here. We have 2 tablespoons of minced red onion. That's optional. So I kind of wanted some red onion in mine today, but if you don't want it, just leave it out, no worries. Then we also have about 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. However, you could use some chopped almonds, would be great in this, or you could do some chopped cashews. So whichever one you're feeling like doing, that would be so delicious. And then we're also going to use a tablespoon or 2 of black or white sesame seeds, but the black ones have amazing antioxidants, and I wanted to go for kind of the rainbow. And so we're going to use the black ones here today. So what we're gonna do, before we mix it all together, we also have a little dressing here. So we have some sesame oil, we have 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil. And then you can either do a half a tablespoon of more sesame oil, or you could do some organic flaxseed oil. Then we also have 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos and 1 tablespoon of Bragg's liquid aminos that are soy based. Now they are non-GMO soy, which is really helpful. And also, just to let you know, if you haven't used coconut aminos before, they're a little bit on the sweeter side, so we've gotten some sweet in here. And then the Bragg aminos, they're more on the salty side, so we're hitting both the sweet and the salty. Then we also have about a half a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger, or you could use a half a teaspoon of dried powdered ginger, either one. And let's see, do we have anything else in there? And a little bit of water, about 1 tablespoon of water. I will be posting the recipe below, so that way if you didn't get to write everything down, no worries. That way you can have it, you can print it, and use it. So let's go ahead and add all of our beautiful vegetables and our little nuts and seeds here into our bowl. So the Napa cabbage is going to be the star of the show. And Napa cabbage, it's a lighter cabbage. So not only in color, but also its texture isn't quite as tough. It's more like a lettucey cabbage, which is really nice. So it's great in salads, it's wonderful in this coleslaw here. So I hope that you really enjoy using it. Then we have some fresh beets, and beets are amazing for detoxification. And then the cabbage is gonna give us some fiber, it's gonna give us some vitamin C, it's also gonna give us some potassium, and especially in those summer months where we can sweat a lot and have activities outside, we need to be replenishing our electrolytes, so that's great that it has that potassium. And then cilantro, you always wanna make sure and get organic cilantro, because if you don't, it could be pulling heavy metals from the dirt, and we don't want that. So organic cilantro is going to be your friend. All right, now that we have all of our rainbow ingredients here, all we have to do is add the dressing and toss it, and then we are done. And I love also here, not only the beautiful colors, but the different flavors. You have, the light texture of the Napa cabbage, you have the zing of the ginger, you have the crunch of the pumpkin seeds with the subtle sweetness of the coconut aminos, and then that smoky, or not the smoky, but kind of earthy undertone of the toasted sesame oil. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. It's like a party going on in your mouth. So this would be wonderful on the side of a stir fry, or maybe you have some sesame ginger chicken to put on top of this, or some salmon, some wild salmon would be wonderful next to this beautiful coleslaw. So we have just about got it all nice and combined. If you needed to add a little extra splash of coconut aminos, you certainly can, or a little extra dash of ginger. You feel free to tailor this to your liking. Now, the last thing that you could do to this would be you could put some unsweetened flaked coconut on top if you wanted a little extra crunch, a little extra flavor and texture going on here. But this, my friends, is our sesame ginger coleslaw featuring the Napa cabbage and beet from where the red fern grows. So thank you all so much for joining me here. God bless you, and I can't wait to see you back again here in our Cook to Flourish kitchen. Bye-bye.